All right, hello, algebra students. 3.5. I'm on page 197. We have this problem, and we got x's on both sides of the inequality. It says 2x is greater than 4x minus 6. I have to get those x's together. And what I want to do is I want to subtract 4x from both sides. Now, some of you are thinking, why don't you subtract 2x from both sides? Well, if I do that, that puts my x's over on the right. But remember, it's easier to graph when my x's are on the left. That's why you want to subtract 4x. You would not want to subtract 2x. So continuing the problem, this would give me negative 2x is greater than, you can X that out, negative 6. My next step would be to divide by negative 2. I can mark out my negative 2's. X, and because I'm dividing, oops, forgot my negative right there. I'm dividing by negative, I switch the sign. Reverse the direction of the sign. And that would be a positive 3. So the directions we're going to say solve and graph. Make a quick graph. 0, there's 3. Open circle, less than, so it's to the left. Let's look at, I believe it's number 5. With this one, you see you have a 5c and an 8c. You want to move them to the left, so you want to subtract 8c. So your variables are on the left. That would give you a negative 3c minus 4 greater than, mark those out, 2. Then add 4. Mark those out. Adding 4 is a negative 3c is greater than 6. Next step, divide by negative 3, which causes you to switch the sign. Mark those out. So c is less than negative 2. Negative 2. Open circle to the left. I apologize. The one I wanted to work out was number 8. So you get a freebie here. Number 5 is an extra one. Number 8. I see why I wanted to work it out with you, because I see parentheses. So that's distributive property. Distributive property would give me 20 plus 5x less than or equal to 6 plus 3x. And since I want my variables first over on the left, I want to subtract 3x from both sides. Just mark those out. And that would give me 20 plus 2x less than or equal to 6. Then I would subtract 20 from each side. So the 20s can be marked out. That gives me 2x less than or equal to negative 14. And I would then divide by 2. Dividing by 2 does not make me switch my sign. I would keep the sign. Even though the 14 is negative, keep the sign because the 2 is positive. Negative 7. So then, straight line, 2 arrows, 0, about where negative 7 is. This would be a closed circle to the left. Again, you got number 5. That's a gimme. Extra, that's a freebie. I guess no charge for that one. Hey, thanks for watching.